how do you try to maintain continuity across 40 branch locations, some remote workers, or what would that look like? And what are some things people can do to not just give up on this one cohesive culture because you have all these locations, but try to bring that continuity across those multiple locations?
Well, Samantha, I'll be honest with you. It can be a challenge when you have multiple locations, and we have 40 plus locations, but it is achievable with the right strategy and with the right approach. It is definitely achievable. And some of that, a few things that one can do is you have to make sure that you establish very clear and well defined core values that reflect the organization's mission, principles, and its identity. And then you have to communicate these values consistently across all locations and making sure that they understand the behaviors, the decisions, and the interactions with the company, and how all of that aligns with those core values. Another opportunity is to craft a unified mission and vision statement that aligns with all locations and employees towards a common purpose and direction.